website. So I would say if you are having any idea, if you are working on anything, please focus on content marketing plus Instagram marketing, because Instagram is where the people are hooking. So I would suggest target two things. One is content marketing, second one is Instagram marketing. Any other question anyone is having?
Yes, my students. Do you have any queries? Students?
So if you have any further query, I have provided you my email ID. You can contact me over there. I will be replying you probably on the same day to your queries. So with that particular thing, I'm ending it over here. Uh, all the best for your future.
Yes. So thank you so much, sir. Once again, I'm thanking you. I'm very thankful for your suggestions for the successful startups, and sure we will follow your footsteps and contribute to the society.
And, thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, students. Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you, students, for participating. You all can leave the session. Yeah. And make sure that you'll join your respective classes right now. See you.